How to download pages on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download pages on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click these three lines here in the top corner and now go down, click settings and privacy and then settings and go down here until you find download your information, click on it and then just click to select all and then select pages and go down and select format and the media quality and click create file and now just wait and it will be downloaded. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next video.